Hi, I'm Jalessa. I'm going to be talking you through the application process for accommodation in halls. To apply for accommodation, you will need to visit our website, which will take you to a link to our application portal, where you will need to register as a first-time user for an account. To do this, you will need a student ID number, which is 8 digits long. You will get this number on your course offer letter. To apply, you will need to click on the register button below, which will take you to this account creation page. Firstly, enter your student ID. Please note this is different to your UCAS number. Then enter your first and last name as it is shown in your university offer letter. You do not need to include any middle names. Followed then by your date of birth and your preferred email address. This is the email your accommodation formal offer will be sent to. Lastly, you will need to create a password which is a minimum of 6 letters long and includes at least one number. Then click Next. This page shows a summary of your personal details. Please ensure this is correct before clicking Finish. You will now be asked for a validation code which will be sent to your email address you have just entered. Please do check your junk mail if you're unable to see it in your inbox. Now you have successfully registered, you will be able to apply for accommodation by clicking on the Apply button. The first part of the process is to select the correct academic year you are intending to stay in halls. Then select which type of student you are, either new or returning to halls. Next, you will need to select whether you are an undergraduate, postgraduate, or a family or couple. In this section, you will need to select where you will be studying. If you would prefer to live with postgraduates, you can also select this option. On this page, it will highlight the options available to you under the pathway you have selected. Each site has its own section, which will detail the amenities it has to offer, along with the room types, the different contract lengths, and the weekly costs. We also have a selection of catered halls to choose from too. Please visit our accommodation website for more information. You can also use the bar on the left-hand side to filter your search. For reference, license refers to your preferred contract length. When you click Apply on your preferred halls, it will take you into the site's individual page. Here, you can read a brief description about the halls, the facilities on offer, see a variety of pictures, and a map to locate where the hall is. Below, there is a selection of different room types with various contract lengths and catering options to choose from, with the weekly price. Once you've made your decision, please click Apply. Once you have made a selection, it will take you to your Preferences page, where you'll be able to view the options you have selected. You will not be able to proceed until you have selected a minimum of 3, although you can select up to 5 preferences. The more options, the better. To select more options, just click on Add Another, and it will take you back to the overall sites page, where you can view more options. When making your further selections, be sure to take a look at what each hall site has to offer. Check out the icons and descriptions on the site page for more information. Once you've made your final choices, you can amend the order of your preferences, which you can do so by clicking the Move Up or Down button. When you are happy, you can click Next. You have the option on this page to provide further details. Here, you can select if you would prefer to live with all male or all female students. You can also make a choice between alcohol-free or quieter lifestyle. Selecting one or both of these options means you are agreeing to adhere to that lifestyle choice and will respect those within your flat's request for that lifestyle choice too. We cannot guarantee you an area which is going to be completely free from noise, as living in halls will involve a level of noise, nor can we guarantee that you will be placed in an alcohol-free area. Below you will find a free text box, which is great for adding any additional information you would like to make us aware of prior to your arrival. You can add any additional information in here. For example, if you have any medical requirements which would involve adaptations made to your room, this is where you would let us know. If this applies to you, you will also need to register with our enabling services to ensure you get the best support during your stay with us. Once you have finished adding the final touches, click Next. You will now be taken to a summary screen where you can see the choices you have made. If you are happy with your application and wish to proceed, please click Submit. This screen provides links to your contract and the terms and conditions you are agreeing to when staying with us in halls. You will need to read these two documents carefully, as by ticking the confirmation box, you are confirming you understand the university's requirements. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed an application form for accommodation at the University of Southampton. The deadline for all new applicants is the 1st of August. For further information on the guarantee, please visit our website. We do not allocate on a first-come, first-served basis. Once you've received your results, check back on the accommodation portal's dashboard to see progress with your application. Here it will show if your application has been submitted or offered, and will show details on your offer. I hope you found this video useful. We have a step-by-step application guide on our website which you can download. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for updates on our halls and what we've been up to. We look forward to welcome you to our halls of accommodation.